When you open up Revit, you're going to see that there's two different sections which you can open up within the program. One is Projects and the other is Families. A family is a file that gets loaded into a project. This file can be any object which you place inside a building. Once you have modeled the object, inside the family file, you load that into the project, which is where we are designing the building. So let's open up a new project. I'm going to click on New, then Browse and find Default. Open that up and open that up. So now we're inside the project environment. On the left is the project browser. On the top is the ribbon, and on the right is the Properties dialog box. In the center, this is called the View, and this is where you'll do all your modeling. I want to just talk quickly about the project browser. You can open multiple views in your project by double-clicking on the view names. All the families which have been loaded into the project are here in the project browser. You can see the name and type of object expanding the parent folder. For instance, here you can see all the door family and types that have been loaded into the project. At the top, you've got a series of different tabs that relate to different functions inside of Revit. And on the right, we have the properties for that function. Over here, this is now giving us the property of the view that we're in. It's got a view scale of 1 to 100. If I go into my ground floor and I create a wall, Architecture tab, and I click on Wall, and I draw a wall, and I hit Escape. You can see that this is now giving me the properties of this wall, where the wall is starting, how high the wall is, and all other pieces of information.